ashes you knelt, broken and torn. Every loss felt heavy, every heartache warm. But you raised your eyes to the heavens above, saying, I trust in your unfailing love. Through the storm, through the fire, your faith remained lifted high. You believed in the promise, the power of His hand, that He would restore as only He can. Oh, Joe, the story ignites the flame, a tale of loss, but never shame. Harmony for sorrow into praise, a song of hope for brighter days. From the ashes, beauty arose. Faithful is the one who knows. The whispers came, the doubts grew strong, but your heart clung to the ancient song. I know my Redeemer lives, you proclaim. Even in darkness, you called His name. When all seemed lost, He gave you more, double the blessings than before. He turned the tears into rivers of grace, restored your family, and gave you a place. Oh, He's the God who sees, the God who hears, the one who holds your every fear. Oh, Job, the story ignites the flame, a tale of loss, but never shame. Harmony for sorrow into praise, a song of hope for brighter days. From the ashes, beauty arose. Faithful is the one who knows. For the ashes, beauty arose. Faithful is the one who knows. Trials come, those shadows fall. He is the God who restores it all. Lift your voice, let the nations sing, for our Redeemer is King of Kings.
My dear son, my beloved daughter, I will pour out an abundant harvest upon you and multiply your blessings. I will fill your barns and help you settle your debts. But more than this, I desire for you to seek me every day with faith and devotion. This world is becoming filled with disbelief, with people mocking my word. Many young people lose their way in vain pursuits, forgetting there is purpose and life in me. That's why I want to manifest in your life that I am a real, powerful, and eternal God, the same yesterday, today, and forever. Believe and trust in me. Leave your amen in the comments along with your requests, because I am here, ready to hear your cry and work on every one of them. My presence is constant and my love for you knows no bounds. I see the tears you hold back, the pain you try to hide, and I am here to take it all and transform it into peace and victory. I am confirming a divine purpose in you. I want to use you to bless your people so they may see the fruits of my love in your actions and the light of my grace shining in your eyes. Focus on the future I'm preparing for you and do not look back, not even in thought. Let go of fear, for perfect love drives out fear. 1 John 4:18. If things didn't work out before, that doesn't mean they won't now. You have believed in me, chosen to move forward with faith, and raise the banner of hope. When attacks come and enemies try to bring you down, remember, do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. Do not let words of doubt or disbelief pull you away from the promises I have for you. The miracles I bring to your life do not depend on anyone's approval. The covenant between us is sacred and unchangeable. You seek me with your heart, and I surround you with love. You give me your faith, and I make you as strong as a diamond, resilient and radiant. I know your longings, and I see that at times the struggles seem greater than your strength. But remember, you are never alone. I am here to carry your burdens and give rest to your soul. Cry out to me, and I will do great things in your life. Lift your eyes, my beloved daughter, my dear son. Wherever you are, do not let anyone intimidate you or drag you into sorrow. Even if people belittle or reject you, remember, for I am with you to deliver you, declares the Lord in Jeremiah 1:8. My love is greater and more powerful than any rejection. I gave my life for you, rescued you from death and sin, and I did so with victory and glory. This is my promise. No one can snatch you from my hand, not even your mistakes. I know that if you stumble, you will return to me, for I see your heart. It brings me joy to see your gratitude, and I will continue to bless your every path. Streams of living water flow within you, and your soul will never thirst again. Just as the deer longs for flowing streams, you call out to me, and I am here, listening and caring for you. In moments of distress, when your tears fell like rain, I was there. I saw you cry like a lost child and embraced you in my arms. Even before you knew me, I already loved you. I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness, Jeremiah 31:3. With strength and mercy, I rescued your life and prepared new blessings for you. I am the way that leads to peace, the truth that lights your path, and the life that covers you with grace. As long as you remain by my side, you will lack nothing. Today there is much to be done, but do not lose your calm. I will strengthen your soul, and the paths that seem closed will open. The dark clouds will disappear, and when you enter your secret place in silence and prayer, you will find strength and comfort in me. But when you pray, go into your room, close the door, and pray to your Father who is unseen. Then your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you, Matthew 6:6. When you call upon me, be assured that I am listening. Great miracles will pour into your life like waterfalls of blessings. None of your prayers will go unanswered. Even those that seem small or forgotten, I have kept them. You did well to dedicate the first moments of your day to me. Your anxiety has left, and my spirit has brought peace to your heart. Now I want you to have the courage to look in the mirror and see the light that dwells within you. That light is the reflection of my love for you, pure and infinite. Walk firmly with confidence, for I am by your side, my dear son, my beloved daughter. As long as I am your guide, you will lack nothing. I am your God, and together we will build a future full of joy, victory, and abundance.